Give me 4 minutes to give you 4 tips to keep your waistline in check this Thanksgiving. We are only a few days away from the official start of the holiday season. Already, can you believe it? And yet, although it looks like that Christmas threw up all over our house, I'm still fighting that fall feeling, baby. So, how do you position yourself so that you don't need to bring an extra pair of sweatpants, baggy sweatpants, to the dinner party this season? Or you don't want to obliterate your scale and smash into a million pieces against the wall the day after the holiday? I want to talk about a few simple ways that you can keep your waistline in check, keep your weight in check, enjoy the holidays, but not have all the consequences that generally follow.
I've always hoped that you would end this reign, but it's my destiny to be the king of pain.
Number 1, exercise the morning of the holiday. I know, crazy, right? But just get it in early. Get your sweat on. Whether you work out regularly or you don't, set the tone for the rest of the day. Getting in that workout just eliminates some of that guilt that you might have with the extra serving size of stuffing or pies, sweets. But more importantly, from a metabolic standpoint, you'll be better positioned to burn off the food that you're going to indulge in that night. Number 2, this is a stinger, but limit your liquid calories. It's incredible that I can watch one person consume 6, 8, 10 alcoholic beverages in one gathering. It's not a huge celebration. No one's getting married. It's not a bar crawl. It's Thanksgiving. So why is this necessary? Are you just obligated to drink like a sailor on the holidays? But if you combine all those calories, all the carbs, sugars, you'll massively regret it the next day. It's kind of like deja vu from the last holiday, right? And the one before that, and the one before that. You don't have to stick to your diet this day, but you don't have to be belligerent, because this is where the majority of the post-holiday weight gain comes into play. Tip number 3, this is an easy one. Fill up on protein, healthy fats, healthy carbs, and fiber first. Seek for foods like nuts, vegetables, meat or cheese trays, whole grain crackers, shrimp cocktail, apples, fruit, whatever your spread is. But if you knock this strategy out, you'll feel much more satiated going into the Big Daddy game. So don't go in starving. That's where the biggest mistakes happen. Fill up on the healthy options first, whatever they are, and then go into the game well warmed up. And if you want another hack for preparation leading into the big game, drink plenty of water to fill your stomach up a bit during the pregame. Number 4, just use your head. Know when to step away. Have some self-control, for crying out loud. If you're gonna go back for seconds, just be selective. Go back for the healthier options on your way back into the game, like turkey or ham or whatever the protein spread is. Just know in the back of your head that all those calories you're gonna be accountable for. It's not like calories don't count on the holidays, but truth is, if you can't become disciplined with any of the first few recommendations that I've given you, such as consumption of alcoholic beverages, which impair your decision making, then you'll be doomed regardless. So make a choice. Follow these tips, use your brain, and don't be the victim of succumbing to another holiday of weight gain. Happy and healthy Thanksgiving to all my loyal Fitastic users and followers. I trust that these tips will serve you well in keeping any weight gain at bay, as they serve me well while still enjoying the company of our friends and family. Remember, you do not need to wait till the new year to lose the weight or make a positive change. I'm extremely grateful and thankful for our relationship, not just on Thanksgiving, but I'm grateful for you every single day in good health. Oh, and if you know anybody that could benefit from this message, feel free to share it. And because my business is built on referrals, please consider me the next time that you talk to someone who might need assistance.